Hi, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll walk you through how to enable Google Maps on Gemini AI so you can explore locations directly inside Gemini. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Gemini AI on your PC by launching the Gemini website or app from your browser or desktop. This is the main place where you interact with Gemini, and it's important to start here so all features load properly. Step 2. Click on the chat input box and type a location command like, "Show me the location of the Pyramid of Giza," then press enter. This tells Gemini exactly what place you want to explore and triggers the map-related response. Step 3. Click on the destination preview or confirmation shown by Gemini. This preview confirms the location you asked for and helps Gemini connect the request with map data. Step 4. Click on the Google Maps view that opens inside the Gemini interface. This is where the visual map appears, allowing you to see directions, zoom in, and explore the area easily. Step 5. Click on the link in the description for the extensions menu if needed. The extensions menu is where Gemini connects with external tools like Google Maps for enhanced features. Step 6. Click on Add to Chrome to connect Google Maps features with Gemini. This final step enables full map functionality, making navigation and location searches smoother inside Gemini AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful guides like this.